Hey everyone, Barry at ICC here with a horizontal video. Look at that. So it's not vertical anymore. Oh, vertical? No, horizontal. Horizontal. I just wanted to show a new setup that we have here for clamping. So normally I would grab a door, prep it all, and then I'd have to grab the panel, this one, pop it in there. And sometimes the panel, needs a little bit of clamping. Normally, I would have to go and walk over to a wall somewhere that was set up at my old section. But now, we have our clamping cart. So all I have to do is literally lean over, grab a clamp, stick it on there, all right? And I can clamp the door. And it's nice and easy, super fast, and it doesn't take any effort at all. So definitely a huge improvement on time, huge improvement in our lean, and improve.